Welcome to the speaker manufacturing factory. In this video, we will see how high-quality speakers are made from raw materials to the final product. Speakers are used in homes, cars, concerts, and many electronic devices. Let's start the journey inside the factory. Different raw materials arrive at the factory. These include metal sheets, magnets, copper wire, plastic granules, rubber, and paper pulp. All materials are checked for quality before use. The metal sheets are cut using heavy machines. These metal parts are pressed into the shape of a speaker frame, also called the basket. This frame will hold all speaker parts together. Strong magnets are very important for speakers. Magnets are cleaned, shaped, and tested for strength. Only powerful magnets are selected for assembly. Thin copper wire is wound around a small cylinder. This is called the voice coil. Machines carefully wind thousands of turns of wire with precision. Speaker cones are made from paper pulp, plastic, or fiber material. The material is pressed into a cone shape using molds. The cones are then dried and hardened. Rubber or foam surrounds are created to allow cone movement. The spider is made from special fabric to control vibration. Both parts are essential for sound quality. The magnet is fixed at the bottom of the metal frame. Strong glue and machines ensure perfect alignment. The voice coil is carefully placed inside the magnet gap. This step requires high accuracy to avoid touching the magnet sides. The cone is glued to the voice coil. Workers ensure the cone is centered perfectly. The spider is attached below the cone. It keeps the voice coil stable during vibration. The rubber surround is glued to the outer edge of the cone and frame. This allows smooth movement of the cone. Small metal terminals are attached to connect speaker wires. Tinsel wires connect the voice coil to these terminals. A dust cap is placed at the center of the cone. This protects the voice coil from dust and particles. The assembled speakers are placed on racks. They are left to dry so the glue becomes strong. Each speaker is tested with audio signals. Machines check sound clarity, bass, and vibration. Defective speakers are removed. Workers inspect the speaker visually. They check alignment, glue finishing, and parts fitting. Brand stickers and model labels are placed on the speakers. Serial numbers are printed for tracking. Speakers are packed in protective boxes. Foam and covers prevent damage during shipping. The finished speakers are stored in the warehouse. They are now ready to be shipped to shops and customers around the world. The camera slowly moves across the finished speakers lined up in the factory. Soft background music plays while workers pack the last boxes of the day. A close-up shows the speaker cone, the brand label, and the perfect finishing. Narrator voice. From simple raw materials to powerful sound machines, this is the journey of speaker manufacturing. Every speaker is built with precision, care, and advanced technology to deliver clear and powerful sound to the world. The camera slowly fades out as the factory lights dim. Text on screen. Thank you for watching the speaker manufacturing process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more factory videos.